Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an external microphone to a Samsung Galaxy S20. I'll show you what you need and how easy it is to connect. So, what will you need? All you need is a USB-C to a 3.5mm headphone jack. I'd recommend getting the original Samsung version as it's much better quality than the non-original versions. You can get them off Amazon. I'll drop a link in below. They're usually around about £10, sometimes less. And then obviously you're going to need a microphone. By the way, if you like this kind of content, please feel free to comment, drop me a like and definitely subscribe. I really appreciate it. Back to the microphone. I'm using the Boya BY M1. Relatively cheap, around about £20, really good quality. I've been using the Boya since we started this video. So now let me switch back into the camera microphone and listen to the difference. Okay, so I'll switch back to the microphone on the camera, and as you'll agree, there's a huge difference. It's almost very distant, a little bit tinny, and not quite as crisp as the Boya, the lavalier mic. So that's it. All you need is one of these and a microphone, and it's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave some comments. I'll read everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.